Hey, good morning. Chris here with Atlantic Drain. Today we're going to be cleaning the mass airflow sensor on a 2004 Isuzu Rodeo. All you need is a flathead screwdriver and CRC mass airflow sensor cleaner. Get that at your favorite auto parts store. Well, there's 4 clips that hold down the air filter box and intake, and we're going to go ahead and remove those. There's just 4 of them on the sides, and we need to loosen this clamp right here so that we can flip this air filter box top open. And you just need to give it a couple turns to loosen that up. I'm just opening it up so you can see the filter area and the mass airflow intake. This is what we're going to be taking off and cleaning. Alright, I'm going to pull that filter off. Pull the air filter box lid off. Set that aside somewhere. It's plastic, so you can put it on top of your battery. It's fine. Now, these things are very, very sensitive. You do not want to touch them, and you do not want to use soap and water or other types of cleaners on here. There's actually a little more to this on the other side of it, but we're going to be cleaning the entire thing. Do not touch the sensor or the wafer area there, the comb, the honeycomb. Alright, we're ready to take that mass airflow sensor out. But first we want to disconnect the unit from the wiring harness. And there's a little clip on the bottom, plug-in clip. We just have to push this little clip down and it'll push right off of there. Alright, we just need to loosen this clamp. I've got it loose. Let's go ahead and take that mass airflow sensor off. Pops right out of there. Alright, and on the far side of this, try to get it to where you can see that. There's little, teeny, tiny, just almost, they look like hairs, but they're sensors. And I believe they're little diodes, but they're sensors. They may just be resistors. And those get dirty. And if they aren't clean, you're going to get start getting bad gas mileage, as well as you're going to get an idiot light coming on saying you have an engine problem. Alright, let's go ahead and get this cleaned up. And I'm going to start by cleaning this side of the honeycomb because it's really, really dirty. Wow, what a difference. That's pretty clean on that side of the honeycomb. Let's go ahead and see what we got here. You can see a little bit of dirt on my rag. Let's go ahead and flip this over and clean those sensors. And, you know, the far side honeycomb, that's looking really, really clean in there compared to just a moment ago. CRC Mass Airflow Sensor Cleaner is the only product I know of that puts their name on it that says it will not damage your mass airflow sensor. So just get this. You know, you can get it at your favorite auto parts store. CRC, Mass Airflow Sensor Cleaner. Let's put a little bit more in here. This stuff dries almost instantly. Just takes it, maybe 30 seconds or so. And once again, you don't want to touch anything on here. It's all very sensitive, but especially those resistors or pieces of wire. It's a good idea to do this every time you change your air filter. Air filters need changed about every 10 to 12,000 miles. If you want to have good fuel economy and you don't want that idiot light coming on saying you got an engine problem, or check your engine. That's looking really, really good. Let that dry up for a couple minutes and we're going to reinstall it. It's that quick. I see a little bit of debris. Almost looks like a verdigris, but it's just a dust that's built up on the inside of this intake hose where the MAF sensor goes. I'm going to go ahead and clean that off. That's looking pretty good and clean. Looks pretty good inside there as well. See, I just cleaned around, just where that clamp connects to the mass airflow sensor. Keep it clean so that we don't get any dirt into the intake there. Now, there is an arrow on here that says which way airflow is supposed to go through your sensor. And if yours doesn't have those particular markings on it, there is a marking on the top of it with an arrow that shows you the direction of airflow. I think we can go ahead and tighten this clamp up. Alright, before I tighten up the box and the clamp, I want to install a new air filter. Go ahead and connect this. Alright, once you've got your clamps securing the top of the air box, go ahead and secure this last clamp. Just tighten it down and it's a done deal. When you clean your mass airflow sensor, be sure to change out this filter as well. Keeping your mass air filter clean and the air filter clean helps with fuel economy, as well as keeps that idiot light off inside of your car. I'm Chris with Atlantic Drain, reminding you it's easy once you know how.